Hey YouTube, Consulting Joe here again with another video. Today we're going to go over ChatGPT and how we can use it to quickly learn programming or extend our programming abilities or quickly have it knock out something new that we're looking to do that we might not know how to yet with programming. So ChatGPT is powerful at programming since it's learned a bunch of programming skills through the internet, GitHub, and the web in general. So let's get started and throw some stuff at it. So we can ask it to write a Python program that will take a webcam video stream and invert the colors. And what else do we want to do? Let's flip it upside down and resize it to twice the size, and then display the video. Let's go. So here we go right away. It just describes and reiterates what we're looking to do, and it tells us we need to first install the OpenCV Python library. Once we do that with that pip install, it gives us our program. We import that library, set up the video capture, run a loop forever, select the frames from the video, and then it inverts the colors, flips the video, resizes the video to twice the original size, and then displays it with a heading for the title. And then it looks like if you hit 27 might be the Q key. It could also be the escape key, I think. And then it will quit. So let's give this a try. It then explains exactly what it did. And yes, it is the escape key, it says. So let's test this out right now. Alright, so let's paste that code in here. Let's save it, and then we can run it. Okay, let's try this. Now that we disabled the camera, we should be able to access it with Python. And there we go. So ChatGPT did exactly what we asked it to. It inverted our colors and it flipped our image. So pretty powerful stuff. Make sure to like and subscribe. Leave some comments below if you've got, or I guess below that way, if you've got any ideas for future videos or more stuff we can play with ChatGPT with. Thanks for watching. Bye.